Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your August 2021 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. So all you August babies, great gift from you to you or from you to your August friends. I'm an August baby too. So we'll put the bead box aside and we'll open the bag. So two separate subscriptions. The bead bag is $8 a month and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. So if you have your box or your bag, if you grab it, let's open it together. Got mine a little early this month, so I thought I'd go ahead and give you a really nice preview if you don't have yours already. So I love these colors again. All right, so Dollar Bead Bag subscribers can reorder August items through September 2021. $1 a strand. You must check out their website, link down below. I have a coupon code, Bronze2, $2 off your first bag, box, or anything on their website if you are a member. So you need to go check it out, because if you're a member, you can go on their website anytime. So, all different prices are there, and I say check it out, and check out the website anyway, because it's just fun. It's such a fun website to navigate. All right. Crystal Royal Ruby Luster. That looks like this one. And sometimes all the time, I'm never sure if I'm right. Let me clear that up a little bit. Maybe we can pull in a touch. That's really pretty. So a very pretty ruby color with a sort of a, this is the wrong one. This is the second one. This is garnet with silver wash. Okay. So I know this has got to be garnet with silver wash. Here we go. All right. That's the first one. And we'll get to the Royal Ruby Luster. I don't know which one that is. Metallic Bronze Iris. That's got to be this one. Whoops. Very beautiful. And then we have Matte Lilac Fuchsia. And that is a beautiful, I love these matte bright colors. Look at how pretty that is with the beautiful purple and the fuchsia together. Gorgeous. Love that. And then we have Crystal Royal Ruby Luster. Okay, I'm going to say that's it. Very pretty. It looks copper to me, but I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm always terrible with the names, but they're beautiful. All right, so they're the 3mm. Let's go to the 4mm. Metallic Green Iris. Gorgeous. Got that one. I love green iris. It's so pretty. I love it in bugle beads too. So pretty. And then Matte Blue Violet. Gorgeous. So that is very similar to the Lilac Fuchsia. I mean, actually, I think this one is actually Lilac Fuchsia. Okay, so very pretty. So obviously, I haven't seen these before because I'm, fumbling a little bit, but I'll get my act together. There we go. Very pretty. And then we have Blue Violet. Very pretty. So that's the shiny, and very gorgeous crystal-y color. Crystal finish. I'll get there. And then here, okay, Matte Lilac Fuchsia. That goes with the one here. And that is my favorite way of purchasing beads is to buy the same color in different sizes and shapes, and just makes it so easy to put together a piece. All right, so here are our 3 and 4mm fire polish beads. Just beautiful as usual. I'll clear this off and we'll come back and we'll open the box. Okay, I've taken everything out of the box, and can we just appreciate how much you get for $18.50 a month? And that, goes up a little bit depending on your subscription, free shipping depending on your subscription. So the best thing to do is check the website. I have a link down below, and use that Bronze2 code so you get $2 off. All right, so I'm going to put these aside. I did cut a couple of the strands because I really wanted you to see what the beads looked like off the strands. So let's take a look at each one. So I have an 8x12mm check glass tabular rectangle, lavender opal with travertine, and you get 12 pieces. And this is a nice big oval rectangular stone. And I love that pretty lavender color with the travertine around the edges. Looks like a stone. Really beautiful. Love that. And then we have 6mm check glass drop in matte purple iris, 25 pieces. And really all these beautiful purples and pinks, I love it, in blues. So that's a pretty matte bead. That's cool. It looks like metal. Let me see if I can clear this up a little bit. There we go. All right, maybe we'll pop here's our bead bag items up here so you can see how pretty they go together if you get both. All right, and then we have check glass pearl, 6mm in bone. You get 20 pieces, and that's a pretty pearl. So it's a check glass pearl. And you know, I always like to look at the inside edges and how round they are because we're trying to find our Swarovski replacements. So these are looking pretty nice. I love the color. I love that it's this, you know, this very bone color. Looks great with terracotta, with browns, with grays and taupes. Love it for fall coming up. And then we have 6mm check glass fire polish, jet green iris, 25 pieces, and looks very almost black on screen, but close up is it's very green. You can see the green iris on there. Very beautiful. 25 pieces, 4x6mm check glass drop in purple luster. Love. That's a very cute drop. I love the color, bright pop of purple, and the luster has sort of a goldish, coppery color, pinkish. If you can see that. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's very pretty. Love that. And then we have check glass drop, 4mm in crystal, 50 pieces. So just your standard round crystal bead, and you know, for when you need something to sort of go in between, or you just need a little clear bead somewhere, perfect to have in your stash. And here are the ones I cut. We have some mushroom beads. These are 6mm, so I wanted to free them, free the beads. And this is a 6mm check glass mushroom bead, rose gold, 30 pieces. If you don't know what a mushroom bead is, it's like a drop. It has like, see? So when you hold it this way, the hole is this way. It's like a chubby drop, like a little bulbous drop. Love it. It's adorable. And I love this color. Look at that. Looks like a stone again, like the veining on a stone. Very pretty. Pop those guys out. And then these were amazing. 12mm check glass cornflakes. And these are black, purple, black, silver, 20 pieces. Look at that bead. Isn't that cool? It's a cornflake bead. So there we go. Got the hole in the middle. These would be so pretty for bead embroidery. And look at the purple and the silver and the black. Hello. Love. Really pretty. Let me move down a little bit. There we go. So let's continue with the additional items. So 18mm vintage style check glass heart. And this is in ruby with copper wash, 2 pieces. I love red with a copper or a gold wash. I love that they're doing this. Look how pretty that is. So it's ruby, you know, ruby color, but look at that copper wash on it. It makes it look so antique. Adorable. I adore them. Okay. 20x23mm pewter butterfly charm. Antique silver, 1 piece. So that's a little smaller one. I think we have some bigger ones. I like this as perfect size for like to hang on a bracelet. It's finished completely on both sides, so very nice. Well done. I love the pewter. Doesn't tarnish. Very pretty. Nice little pendant piece. And then we have 14mm check glass 2-hole button bead, red AB. And this is a perfect clasp bead. And it's more of a, I say corally orange color, or corally. Actually, it's a lot deeper in person, but it's really, I love the AB finish, and it's a perfect little ending for a bracelet. And you just do a loop and a button. Very nice. 8x20mm check glass oval in jet. And this is, you get 4 pieces, and this is gorgeous. Love. Look how pretty that is. That's really pretty. So it's sort of flat on either side and gorgeous. That's a beautiful bead. That is so pretty. Love. And then we have a check glass butterfly, 12 by 14 millimeter. Purple AB, 4 pieces. Don't you love the purple theme to this? The purple and fuchsia between the bag and the box. I love these colors. Look at the AB on that. Isn't that gorgeous? So you have pinks and greens and blues and purples. Oh, I love that. That looks so pretty on camera. That's gorgeous. Very pretty. They're really like hitting it out of the park these days with these gorgeous finishes. 8 by 20 millimeter check glass drop. Matte white with copper wash, 2 pieces. I adore these. Look at that, the matte white. It looks like it was antiqued with copper. These are gorgeous. And do you know, you don't need 100 of them. You need 2 of them. For a pair of earrings, you can do a drop, or let's say you have a bezel necklace. You just put the drop, and you need a drop. I always go to the dollar bead box when I need a focal piece or a drop, you know, to put on a necklace. Perfect. And they're just such a nice size. And I love that antique copper look. So pretty. Looks pretty with this mushroom bead. You could probably incorporate something with the mushroom bead there. That would be gorgeous. 10 to 12 millimeter freshwater pearl. And it's a square coin pearl. You get 2 pieces. And I absolutely love these. The hole is, where's our hole? There it is. So it's this way. And I would just put this on an ear wire with a crystal and be done with it. You can put the little purple drop at the end of it, or even the big drop you can put at the end of it. So, or not at all. Just have a little, I love small earrings, especially little pearls. And these are so pretty. Look at the luster on that and the color. Love it. And then we have 12 millimeter check glass waterfall cut crystal, 6 pieces. And this is another clear crystal bead, and it has that, I don't know if you can see how the waterfall cut is. It just sort of swirls around. That pretty cut on that bead. So again, maybe you just need 3 of them, or you maybe just need 2 for, you know, 3 pairs of earrings for a gift. You don't need 50 or 100 of them. Perfect. Love that. Isn't that pretty? And then we have 6 by 17 millimeter check glass spikes. Blue iris, 8 pieces. Come on out, you. Look at that pretty. It looks like an oil slick, right? Gorgeous. Look at that bead. That is so pretty. So of course, I mean, the first thing, you know, that you would think of is just doing a necklace just with all spike beads. So just put that on a little chain or put some beads in between, and you have like the cutest little necklace. And I love that iris on it, you know, that oil slick look. That's really pretty. Gorgeous. Love it. And then last but not least, we have a little tiara cast, which is so great. I love that they've added tiara cast, and these are French hook ear wires with 2 millimeter bead. They're silver filled. They are a gunmetal color, and tiara casts are just really my favorite findings, especially their ear wires. I love the big loop. They're very substantial. They, you know, I just really love them. They're strong, so they're not going to bend out of shape. Gorgeous. So I'm glad they're incorporating that in their, you know, on their website. So here we go. Here's above my hands, dollar bead bag. Below, the bead box. Look at all those beads. It's amazing. See if it's right for you. Go to the website, check it out. If you have the bead box, I know you're gonna, in the bag, you're gonna love this one. You're absolutely gonna love this one when you get yours if you haven't gotten it yet. All right, so I want to thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.